This is Parsons Street, which hosts the heaviest duty trucks that transport food throughout the country. Throughout Southern Africa and Mauritius, Engen is a prominent energy provider with more than 1,280 service stations, production facilities, supply chains, and retail service stations have a combined history dating back to 1881. If you register and join the Engen family franchise and become a new Engen service station member, you will have access to state-of-the-art gasoline retail forecourt, quick shop, ATMs, restrooms, and more. PEPSICO Inc. is an American multinational food, snack, and beverage company with its corporate headquarters located in the hamlet of Parsons in Harrison, New York City, in the United States. PepsiCo has produced some of the most recognizable brands in the nation, enjoyed on a daily basis by millions of South Africans. On family tables, you may discover Sasco, Bogomo, White Star, moreover, Simba, Lay's, Doritos, Pepsi, 7UP, Cereal, and liquid fruits are readily available for munching or drinking anywhere.